what are you doing?
Math. I'm having trouble.
Do you need help?
Yes. It says 5
Times.
times 4 9.
Well, it's very easy. Let me explain it like this. Imagine you're a real estate agent and you're trying to sell a nice 2-story, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, Italianate style home conveniently situated 10 miles from the city's central business district. Now, you just got off work and you go to the bar with a couple of buddies, but not wanting to get too riled up, you order a virgin cucumber mojito. The bartender notices your green and slightly feminine drink and asks you if you purchase organic fruits and vegetables, to which you reply, no, because I don't make enough as a real estate agent to afford that kind of luxury. He then accuses you of being a conservative pig and insists if you cared at all about the future of your 5 daughters, you would never support the corruption of our earth with nasty pesticides and herbicides. You're bewildered by what he has to say, and he says to you that it's not your fault for defaulting to a dirty capitalist supply and demand cost-benefit analysis way of dealing with the world, because you haven't been liberated yet by the likes of Ron Paul, who the bartender insists is actually a diehard communist and was kicked out of those presidential races by McCarthyist CIA members. Your buddies see the commotion occurring, and they try to defuse the situation by reminiscing about a past that was full of opportunity and freedom, and explaining how they felt more trapped as time went on, getting sucked into fixed slots of responsibility and a world of choices and interactions and allocations, and how despite their dulled sense of freedom, they wouldn't dare disrupt the blanket of comfort they had draped over their lives, once purposeful, now meaningless and suppressed. One goes on to say that responsibility is pain, and how the act of choosing what responsibilities we take up is worthless in the end, because what is the goal of life if not to be happy? And what is pain but a detraction of happiness? And therefore, why should we try to alter a cause with an unchanging consequence? Why should we push against the wall that slowly crumbles, ready to fall at any minute? How complicated life is, one of your buddies says. It's all unnecessary. Everything is unnecessary. Wouldn't it be simpler if there was nothing? You try to catch your thoughts. They seem pointless in the grand scheme of it all now. You feel dizzy, and you lose sensation in your extremities. But what can you even do about it, except accept your fate that has been forced upon you by the unnamed architectural engineer of the universe who gave you a life as a support beam to the crumbling wall? Paint it any color you want, hang some pictures on it, or perhaps install a bit of crown molding. You have no purpose. You're taken aback as you wake up in the middle of the night on the floor of the bar, now empty and lifeless. How many times did you contemplate on life from then on, until you forgot who you were after you had a seizure that one day out of the blue? 20. The answer is 20.